day of bitter cold temperatures from Grand Forks all the way to Williston, so stay warm out there.
It'll never start.
It'll start.
When the last thing you need is equipment that won't start, turn up the heat with a portable Honda generator from Home of Economy. Rugged, dependable, and quite possibly the best friend you'll ever have on the job. Pick one up today at the guaranteed lowest price, only at Home of Economy, where your dollar buys more.